Fantastic work. We have seriously upgraded our model's foundation in this module. You learned how to distinguish between fixed and variable costs, how to structure your input sheet professionally, and how to use powerful tools like data validation, named ranges, and Excel tables to make your model user-friendly and robust. Now it's time to put all of that together in our module project. Your task is to create the definitive inputs sheet for our model, which will serve us for the rest of the course. 1. Start with a clean slate. If you haven't already, clear your inputs sheet. 2. Create the list sheet. Create a separate worksheet named List and add the full list of Greenleaf Bakery products. If you have a business or are planning to start one, or are working for someone, use the products/services you sell to create a list. 3. Build the input tables. On the inputs sheet, create the 3 separate tables: assumptions, per unit inputs, and monthly fixed costs, overheads. 4. Implement the dropdown. Add a product selection, cell, and use data validation to create a drop-down menu that pulls from your product list on the list sheet. 5. Convert to Excel tables. Convert all 3 tables on the inputs sheet into official Excel tables, Ctrl+T, and give them logical names, e.g., TBL_assumptions, TBL_unit inputs, and TBL_overheads. 6. Final polish. Ensure all your formatting is perfect: blue font for inputs, correct number and currency formatting, and clean headings. Once you've completed this, you'll have a professional-grade input sheet that is organized, scalable, and easy to use. Great job, and I'll see you in Module 3, where we'll start using these inputs to calculate our product unit cost.